How to generate insane AI art for beginners in Midjourney. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can basically generate and create AI art on Midjourney. Now, it's done in the easiest, most simplest way possible. All you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to write Midjourney. Once you do that, you're going to go to their website over here where it says midjourney.com. Now, once you are into their website, it's going to show you, all these things over here. All you're going to do is it says Midjourney. You're going to come down here. You're going to read their abouts and stuff if you want to. And you're going to come here, click on join the beta. Now, once you click on join the beta, it's going to bring you here to your Discord and you're going to click on accept invite. And once you have clicked on accept invite, it's going to confirm you and stuff like that. And once the confirmation bit is done, you're going to verify yourself. And once you have successfully verified yourself, you will be redirected to your Discord. Now, once you are, it's either going to open the Discord into, your browser, or it's going to open it into your desktop app. You can choose to open it wherever you want to. And once it is opened, what's going to happen is obviously, as you can see here, it says a red mic icon. So obviously here you can see it says what's new and everything. We're going to get out of that. What are your pronouns? You can skip this if you want to. It doesn't really matter. You're going to choose this if you want to. And once you've done that, you're going to come here where it gives you, all these things. You're just going to go to one of these newcomer rooms. I'm going to go here. And once you're here to generate your art, you're just going to write / you're going to write imagine. And then you're just going to write anything you want. So a boy walking inside a tunnel. You're just going to write that. And once you do that, look at this. All these things are gonna, generate AI for you. So it's gonna generate just like this, like these people. You can also see how these people are giving commands. So look at that, imagine, Levi Ackerman, boy with black hair, stuff like that. And that is how you just generate art.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at AImoneytips.com.